Welcome students. Today I'm going to explain the basics of compound microscope which we usually use in our practical classes. And I think all of us have at least some basic idea about the microscope and about the compound microscope. This is the basic structure of a compound microscope. But before I discuss some of the structural details of this microscope, initially I must mention that this is a light microscope. That is, this uses light, either natural or artificial, as a light source. Usually we use this natural light to observe, to study the specimen, and in some cases the artificial light also, when the natural light, that is the sunlight, is not available or not sufficient. So usually this light microscope is of two types. First one, simple microscope, and the second one, a compound microscope. Today I include the structural details for your basic understanding. So, firstly, this structure, this is actually eyepiece. This one rough adjustment knob, this one fine adjustment knob. This whole structure, this from this to this is known as inclination joint. These are this one, second, and the third one. These are objective lens. First one be 10x, then 40x, then 100x. If they're providing you 3, usually we get this 10x and 40x. To observe on their 100x objective, we have to use some specialized oil which increases the refractive index. Okay. Otherwise, for 10x and 40 or 45x, oil is not necessary. So this is inclination joint. By holding this portion, By holding this portion, this one, we can simply up and down the whole microscope. This is the mirror for usual to receive the usual natural light. Otherwise, we can fix here artificial light also. Okay. This is the stage within which we can put the specimen, it with or without the clips for adjustment. Okay. So we have to know all these parts, the basic one, to use the microscope much more effectively and efficiently. So best of luck. At first, study these following parts, okay, and be prepared for the next class. Thank you.